At ayun na nga, wag na nating patagalin, simulan na natin. Game, test, on.
Very well, I shall grant you enlightenment. Revealed.
At dun na nga nagtatapos ang ating video. At kung nagustuhan mo yung mga ganitong klase ng content, at bago ka pa lang dito sa aking video, please support and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell para updated ka lagi pag may bago tayong upload. Hit the like button kung nagustuhan mo tong video. And leave a comment kung ano masasabi mo sa video. And thank you for watching.
I tried to warn you, but